At the Second Continental Congress, colonies became a cause, and with the Declaration of Independence, that cause became a nation. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. July 1776, the colonies issued a document that did more than declare independence. It challenged how power itself worked. At the time, most nations believed authority flowed from kings, bloodlines, or God-appointed rulers. Ordinary people were subjects, not citizens. The Declaration declared something never before stated by a government, that all men are created equal and born with natural rights. It argued governments exist only to protect those rights, and when they fail, the people have the right to change or abolish them. No empire had ever justified rebellion in moral terms, explaining itself not just to its own people, but to the entire world. Its ideas drew from Enlightenment thinkers like John Locke, colonial self-rule, and centuries of resistance to unchecked power. Drafted primarily by Thomas Jefferson, the Declaration turned philosophy into a weapon, words as dangerous as muskets. The Declaration didn't just launch a nation, it launched an idea, that freedom is a right, not a gift, and history would never be the same.